We're going outside today and it's very hot. I have to wear my mask. So if you're looking for this one, you have our face stupid shield because the weather is very fine and the little kitties are really fine with that little kitty.
Okada forever! Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride! Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog!
Yeah! Hipapay, pichapay!
Really hot outside, like so, and you have to wear this outside in the mall. Yeah. So we're getting outside now, like this one is very sunny, and then later on we will go to the car and waiting for them here in the middle of the road. We're not using the motorcycle. The motorcycle is a resting place there, and we got a lot of plants now. We got a lot of plants here.
Let me take you to another different experience. Many restaurants ceased their operations during the pandemic lockdown period, and some did not recover at all and totally closed. Lucky for those who managed to operate at a low capacity due to the social distancing rules. Well, there's a lot of growing numbers of people already vaccinated. Slowly, some of these restaurants and hotels can accommodate dine-in. Here we will see how it can be experienced on an eat-all-you-can at a Spiral SOFITEL.
Did you know that in our house we have a lot of spiders like this one?
Kids are not yet allowed to dine in yet, and we are required to bring our own vaccination diploma. Cause for us, we have big ones here. We felt excited as this is a treat from my mother and because it is her birthday to celebrate. And thanks to you so much, Mom. Shout out to you.
Did you know that his eyes cannot grow bigger than 3 millimeters? Like this. Dito na naman tayo sasakay sa isang puro bangga na kotse.
There's not much of a traffic jam, so we got there on time. And we passed the area of these gigantic casinos along the way.
May target. Off-road. Banana Pamor.
Maayos yung pagkalagay ng mga saging.
They were strict in implementing these pandemic protocols and contact tracing. Then we got our reserved seats and we chow. But please do take note, they require pre-reservation arrangements, not for walk-in, dine-in on that day we went. On the Eat All You Can, here has a different setup now. Unlike before, first, you wear a mask now while getting your food. Second, in order to get the plate and your food, you must request it on each food counter.
Thank you. Thank you.
Unlike before, plates are all over each food counter and you get it by yourself, including the food. But now, the cook or servers on each counter serves you or wait 5 minutes or so by the counter, then you get it from them. You can still go back as much as you can, provided you finish your previous plates. The first dish I tried is a Thailand origin, but please bear with me regarding on each name I call for each dish as I am not so familiar on them. Well, for this one, this is a rice noodles mixed with some spicy flavoring and oriental mixed taste on it with chicken. Kinda small serve they have on each time you go, but for me it is okay. I also have watermelon shake juice served at the table. It is medium sweet and nice. I have this Indian rice and Indian cheese on a special sauce. Looks like curry paste mixed on it. And my favorite, Chinese dumplings deep on a spicy soy sauce and calamansi on it. And the super awesome laksa noodle soup. Very okay. We are on a long table with my father, mother,
Linis naman eh.
and my sister,
Kuya, ganda ko dam.
and her fiancé.
Come on, don't be shy. Just take a bite, it's alright.
Shout out to you all, and me and my super imaginative friend
Very tasty.
getting their own sets of foods on each counter.
Hinahanap namin yung plato. Nasaan yung plato?
And we are one seat apart, though it's a little bit hard to converse to each other. And on the background, someone is playing the piano. Have not known it, you were, because I am busy with all of this irresistible food. Plus, I am already hungry. The next I ate are boiled shrimps with some local sauce mix they have. And it was very oriental taste too. And the shrimps are fresh, that the skin can be taken off easily, and the meat inside is intact. The restaurant is called the Spiral because of the spiral staircase as its centerpiece in the middle of the restaurant premises and found near the entrance lobby. Additionally, it has some water low fountain at the bottom to add the looks and the feel of the ambience around. They have this room full of various kinds of cheese, but we'll skip them for this food trip as they are smelly in nature.
Mabaho yung cheese dun? Oo, mabaho yung cheese.
Then here we took some Japanese food, including those California maki of different kinds. Tempura, the coated fried shrimp mixed with fried calamari, and ever favorite, the sesame, the bare fresh tuna dipped on the soy sauce called kikoman. And they are all fresh and real Japan taste on them. Very okay. On the side note, the kikoman is so salty when I dip them.
The kikoman is very salty.
So, I have chosen the sauce with the ginger also for the tempura as my basic dip, as this taste is just enough for me. While all the taste of the food is alright and enough for its quantity, my insides are taking a toll and getting full, and all sleepiness afternoon starts to creep in. It was already time to goof around at the moment just to break the ice.
Bagong alcohol dispenser. Dito tayo sa unboxing natin.
Handy dandy alcohol spray, very okay.
Tayo makikichismis ngayon.
Yan ang edit.
Oo, edited agad yan.
Wala yung wrinkle.
Oh,
Naging ano ka na?
And now, they start to sing happy birthday for us. Super okay.
Kami dalawa birthday.
Happy birthday to
Kiss the bride.
blow the cake.
Ayan o.
Pati.
Pati ikaw. Blood ako. Tayong dalawa.
2, 4.
and the candle is hard to blow.
Para mahihinig. Para
And this is the little tiny cake, and we take away this at home for the kids.
Ito gusto ko.
Dessert on the way. We had their in-house ice cream and got the coffee crumble and vanilla flavor, but this is not what you think of an ice cream. See until the end of this video. Unfortunately, they don't have the in-house chocolate section. That's their in-house made chocolate. That's very okay, as I have tasted them before.
Very tasty.
Very tasty and tata.
It's creamy, it's milky.
Coffee ice cream. It has also many granules inside. I don't know what's inside of it, but it is really tasty and it's a little, there's a lot of substance. That's what I like. Double ice cream. All of me, because it's my favorite. Oh, there's a hard substance inside of it. It's like a rock. It looks like it's a white chocolate with a little crispy inside. But it looks like a meteorite. Let's bite on it. Yeah.
It's Rito.
Rice Krispies. There's a lot of rocks inside. There's already a bright ice cream that I cannot chew. Rice Krispies and crunchy white chocolate. White chocolate with the white vanilla on it. I thought it was just a vanilla.
And the last is the coffee. And there's this experiment again, but it is not what you think.
We will make the magic. The magic is here. We have 1 minute of experiment. Mixing the cold and the hot and the white and the black. Kalukuhan natin. Float, let it float.
I made the coffee better. Now it is afloat.
No need to add sugar. 2 minutes already.
There is a call out time at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so they can wrap them up and replenish the whole setup. Maybe disinfect the place. I didn't see that. For new incoming set of customers ready for the next batch for the dinner time. So we have to go back now after some few photos, and if you'd like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it and react your comments below. It's me, Solid. Ride safe, slow. Good night, everybody. Yeah, bye-bye. Pizza bye.
Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog! Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride! Hindi talaga kapag maniwala na nagsasalita ako. Pinakama. Scooter. Electric scooter. Baka nire-renta. Sa customer? Hindi sa customer sige. Ito parking lot na parking lot ng scooter. Because we're all are big, we already gain weight after we eat a ton. Naglock.
Okada forever.